Thanks to everyone. This is Lakshmi here. I would start this session without any further delay. Coming to this session, so how do we use AI? So AI is a virtual assistant powered by artificial intelligence to increase productivity and efficiency in any workplace setting. Okay, so it nowadays it's all enabled by natural human-like conversation to help users with many tasks. Coming to SEMS Welfare Foundation is a registered non-profit organization which is dedicated to social impact across various sectors. We focus on education, particularly skill development, entrepreneurship. Through our initiative Digi Saksham, we have created training programs in IT, finance, retail, and entrepreneurship impacting over 6,000 individuals. We are currently upskilling inmates in Haryana jails and collaborating with universities and colleges. We have also partnered with banks to place over 1,500 candidates in job. In just a short time, SEMS has established itself as a force for positive change, equipping individuals with skills for employment and promoting women leadership in various industries. So this session is collaborated by SEMS Web Solution, which acts as a staffing agencies and also promote admissions and career guidance to the students. So now then coming to our guest of honor, Miss Shubham Raj. So Shubham Raj is a founder and CEO of Zephyr and the Startup Club India, which is impacting around 200,000 plus people through entrepreneurship and mentorship. As a president of startup, he has mentored over 100 plus startup and won 6 hackathons. Usually as a business consultant, project manager, and YouTuber, sharing insights on startup, hackathons, and career. A, a TEDx speaker and a community leader. He works with law, Chico, managing partnership and talent. Passionate about innovations and educations. He is on a mission to bridge the gap between student and the industries. So now I am handing over the session to you, Mr. Shubham.
No worries. So today's session will be like one of those sessions which is one of the most emergent tech and very interesting session because AI is the future as we all know, and it is one of those technologies which we have to adapt with the time. If you want or not want, you have to have the knowledge of AI, and you have to implement this in your work culture. Or and no matter if you are if you are working in a corporate job, or you are having your own startup venture or something, doesn't matter. You have to be technically sound with this, and you have to have the knowledge of AI. So yeah, so we can start the session. And yeah, so as the AI your career co-pilot is here. So by this session, I want to is in today's by this session, I just want to convey that how is AI is going to impact your life, and what will the future of AI, and how you can help you can take help from the AI, is how will it also impact your job, and what I say, and your daily life. So yeah, it's started impacting, and you must have seen how the technology is growing around you nowadays. So yeah, so there's a very a quote that I have read somewhere, that the intelligence is not just a tool; it's a mirror. We shape it, and it's reveal who we are. So by this, actually, I want to tell you that this is a very beautiful statement, because it's tell you that the AI will show you the mirror, that how will you the way you use the AI will tell your character. If you use AI to just for your personal growth, or if you use AI for your for your career growth, it will be a good thing. But if you use AI for such activities which is not a good activity, you would say, or not a anything that is not good for the human civilization. It might be making some virus from AI or something like that. So AI can be used in both the ways. Like you can grow 10x faster with AI, and on same way you can be just destroyed the whole civilization with this power. This is how much powerful the AI is. There are lots of Hollywood movies you have seen, sci-fi movies that tells what's the impact of AI. And like Elon Musk also said that AI has a dangerous side too and a good side. It's totally up to you which side you will be choosing. Next, we can move to. So there are lots of field. AI is evolving, and for example, if you take the healthcare, the in diagnosis, drug discovery, and patient care. So like AI is impacting lots of fields nowadays. You are also seeing like tools like ChatGPT and all. I think if you are like a student or a working professional, you guys must know about these tools, and you are also using this tool. And the basically the AI is right now helping us in many ways, and it's saving our time to be very frank. And like you can see the healthcare, but the thing is that the main question arises in everyone's mind that will it impact your job or something, that we will discuss soon. So you can see like how it's helping in healthcare, finance, fraud detection, algorithm trading. Basically, you can see there are multiple sector I have listed here, and AI is impacting in every sector. And like you can see like even in content creation, customer support, there are lots of sales agents. AI sales agents are creating day by days, and it also replacing with customer care support. So yeah, AI has a very great potential, and it is using in each and every field, from filmmaking to the education and everything. You will see the and in near 10 to 20 years, it's just like the when the computers come to first come in India. Before computer, we all were doing everything on pen and paper, but with the time the computer we started editing computers, and now it's computer is a part of our lifestyle. And you will see each and every in every organization from small scale to large scale, their computer laptops to support everything. Even this meeting is on we are hosting it on our laptop. So we are people will start adapting the technologies with the time, and AI is one of those technologies which you will see in everyone's hands in coming 10 years. So before this, I want to come to this thing. Will AI impact your job? Like this is the one of the most important question, and also like this is one of the most trending question nowadays. That because lots of layoffs are going on, the world is suffering from recession. There are multiple factors, but one of the factors is AI. Reason behind, because as if I would share a data with you, like so, there's a data set that by 2026, more than 85 million jobs will be replaced by AI. But the same data says the 133 million jobs will also created by the AI because of AI. So yeah, it will impact job, but it will also create the job. And it's totally up to you. If you will adapt with this technology, you will be benefited. If you will not, you will not. So yeah, this is the rise of AI. So you will see even you are seeing it that in each and every sector, if you are studying in your college, if you are an engineering student, you have to do web development, app development. So there are lots of for example GPT or Claude. These are the tools you can which can make apps, websites in just 1 minute. Yeah, in just 1 minute you have to just describe your idea, and it's make the whole website or app for you, and it provides the code. So from this example you can see like if I will give this thing that if I have a business, I have to create a website for my organization or an app for my organization. If I will give to a person to make it from the scratch, it will take around if it is a very simple website or app, to still it will take for a website it will take 2 to 3 days, or for an app it might take 1 to 2 weeks, and which is totally done by AI in around 1 to 2 minutes right now. So you can see that with the evolution of AI, this time is decreasing, and like efficiency is also increasing. But the people having the basic skills of creating websites and app are going to replace very soon because of this, and they are and in many companies they are replacing. I will come to the case studies very soon. So yeah, the rising AI or generative AI. Like what is a generative AI? So if I will tell you in a very layman language, so generative AI is something which is based on your creativity. For example, you must see there's a trend last to last month or last month I would say of Ghibli art, where people are making their a cartoonistic character from the AI. So that's a part of generative AI. You like this, for example, this image is it's a part of generative AI because it is created by a prompt and which is made by the AI. So I'm generating something new. So that's why it is called a generative AI. So lots of AI generated images are using everywhere because there is no copyright issue in this, and AI, you use your prompt skills, and AI use their creativity and image recognition and lots of things in the backend to create such images. And automation detection. For example, right now, for in foreign countries, for like traffic police jobs are minimalizing day by day because of the rise of AI. In for example, if you are doing overspeeding with your vehicle, it's a car or bike, the AI will track it automatically. AI based cameras and all, and it is happening in lots of fields, not just in like wherever you see the automation detection. The countries like China and USA like I've had what I say, they implemented this technology, and also the face recognition technology they are using to detect criminals or thieves or someone doing suspicious activities on public places. So with the help of AI, it's becoming more easier day by day. And uske baad, I would say like personalization. For example, lots of businesses are using tools, marketing lots of AI tools for marketing and healthcare. And I am telling this like guys must have some future plans. I guess the student, most of the people are here are either student or a working professional. So with the time, you have to adapt this thing that in your work, if you will not adapt the AI technologies, you will definitely get replaced by AI. Because from making PPT, for example, this PPT was made by a template was made by AI. Yeah, I have done the what do I say edits and text on the basis of my of what I had to deliver. But the major layout, the pictures was made by AI. So AI is just, I want to tell you that AI is helping us a lot, and it's just minimizing the time which takes. For example, if I will create a PPT from a very scratch, it maybe takes around like PPT like this will take around 12 hours. Maybe for me or for a professional, it may be 6 to 7 hours, but it's just prepared in 1 hour. So this is a time gap AI is helping me to like minimize. And the as you said, AI market value is projected to be reach 1.8 trillion by 2030, and it's not. It was expected that AI will definitely going to boom. Yeah. So, as I said this figure before that, like 85 million jobs will be displaced by 2025 or 26, and 133 million new roles will be created. There's still a very much skill gap in the market for AI, data science, ML skills. Continuously learning is critical. Evolution of roles. So you might be thinking that you have tell that. I have tell you that how much AI is important, how will it impact your life, and how much important of AI education is important. For example, in today's world, if the person do not know how to use a laptop, how to use a computer, he is already very much far away from the like set of people from urban area, or like he was very much lagging behind with a lot of crowd. For example, India is already a very big country, and there are lots of there's a lot competition in each and every field. So it's really difficult to compete in this field. And if you do not have computering skills in this era, so it will be very difficult for you to earn. Same way, the AI will be taking over the job. And after 10 years, I will be saying that if you do not know AI, it's very hard for you to like do any job or to earn in that era. So this is how much AI is important. So like how to learn AI and how this stuff. So to be very frank, in India right now, AI related what I say sources are very less. But yeah, you can use AI to learn more about AIs, because there are lots of research papers, there are lots of skills you or like you can use Chat GPT or you can use Claude. Lots of AI tools are there you can use to excel your skills. And yeah, because like yeah, you can use also YouTube for like learning about AI and how you excel in it, because as the like founder of Facebook, or yeah, I can say Meta, they also said that in the near future there's a big demand of AI developers coming soon. And just like 1991, when our what I say, economy was open up, like our ex Prime Minister Manmohan Singh, he was the economic minister at that time. He when he opened up the Indian economy to the global scale. So there was a huge rise of engineers in our country. That's why most of the people still take engineering and medical as their field. But yeah, the growth of engineers in India or the IT sector happens because of that, because lots of foreign companies started coming into India, establishing their warehouses or their factories in India. The manufacturing unit also increases. Companies like Samsung, Apple started coming into India, and they need a skilled engineers and laborers. That's why people started doing engineer, because they give them a good job opportunity from that time. But it's now like very much what I say, degraded right now, that engineering degree. But yeah, the same way, the rise of AI engineers is going to be will be happen in the same way. Like there was a huge need of AI engineers in India in coming 5 to 10 years. Yeah. So let me tell you some trending AI tools people commonly use for coding. If you are a BTech student, or if you are not still, if you are interested in tech sector, Indian, most of the, I think 60% of the Indian economy is dependent on the IT sector, I said tertiary sector. For to be in the tech sector, you should have a coding, you should knowledge of the coding skill. Yeah, I repeating again, the basic coding skills will be replaced by AI very easily. There are lots of platform, Bolt, Lovable, and there are lots of platforms, GPT, Claude, GitHub, Copilot. From this, you can code very easily. They can make their whole. If you have no knowledge of coding, still you can create applications and websites in a minute. And so yeah, if you are interested in a tech sector, which most of the students and people are, so you can use this AI. Use AI as an helping tool. Not, you should not be dependent totally on it. You should have a personal skills of your own. Uh, the only people will remain in the market who are at the top, on their skills. Like AI can create a good UI, but to create a very good website with no bugs, that can be still created by a human. So yeah, you have to be very much excellent and at the top of the skills you are pursuing. For the presentation, you can use Gamma, Beautiful AI, Canva. Like there is a case study on Canva. I will share it with you later. And yeah, Gamma, from which I have created PPT. So yeah, these are the presentations PPT. Like there was a I would say job in past 10 years in companies for making PPTs presentation. There was like a company hires interns for doing this job, but now it's done by AI. And like this was a job of assistant and interns to create a beautiful presentation for meetings, but it's now done by AI. And for research is one of the most important thing. If you are into any project, or if you are a college student, you have to do assignments, or if you are researching on anything, if you are an entrepreneur, if you are a founder, you are researching on a new products, something. So yeah, research is very much important. So for you, perplexity is one of the most important tool I also use. It's a really great tool for researching. Like many people write research papers. So yeah, this tool is very much helpful. And semantic scholar, research rabbit, these are very good tools which can help you in researching. So yeah, you can must take help from these tools, excel in your career. Let me tell you about AI agents and how it's helping businesses and people. Because this is the thing will see on a very large scale in coming years. Because AI agent is something, it's like your personal assistant. Okay, so many businessmen have their own assistant. Okay, like their social media managers, their assistant who schedule their meetings and all. But now it's totally done by just an AI. This AI agent. can do the social media post for you on a very you have to just set the time at which you want. It can schedule your meetings, it can recommend you songs, it can like do all the virtual works, or like it's like talking to someone, it's like mailing, replying your mails, like the company, if there's anyone from company or a founder or any startup or entrepreneur here in this meeting, so it might relate with me. Like there are lots of mails you have to reply every day. So if someone looking for a job, so yeah, this AI agent will help on each and every level with you. For example, I have talked with some entrepreneurs in a meet, and they said they started using this AI agent, and like yeah, and this is very much helpful. I also personally like use this AI agent for scheduling my meets, and because I have lots of mentorship sessions, so yeah, this AI agent will help me to tell me, like they just send me a notification that you had the meeting at this time, you have this session at this time. So yeah, it's really very much helpful to me, like as a businessman, and it helps me like if I stuck in somewhere, if I am searching on web, and I didn't get the good result, it helped me to assist. So it's like your personal assistant, and now and it's totally for free right now. Like there are a few tools that help you to create your own AI agents for free. So yeah, it's just a crazy technology evolving right now. Like it will do your task, each and everything. You will tell him to like create your assignment, create your PPT. It will give you everything. It will take suggestion from you. So it's like a like very futuristic technology, and it will be like might be it will be replaced by robots in the future. You might be having your own personalized robots, and might be costlier, very much costly in coming years. But with the time, their rate will be a decline with the time, and it must be affordable to everyone. So yeah, AI agent is doing something similar kind of thing, which robots will. And something like that, the chatbots and data analysis thing. For example, like chatbots are very much like each and every website you will see a good website having a chatbot right now. Just to like for example, the customer care, there was a thing called customer care. Everyone knows. Like India has a very big like pool of people who are into this job, but this is now declining day by day. Only the reason is the like emerging chatbots who are replying to, like if you order us anything from Amazon, Flipkart, right, in today's world, you must have seen that if your order is stuck somewhere, if you want to have some knowledge about your food or anything you have ordered, the chatbot will reply you. So yeah, it's helping company to do the lots of cost cutting. Like in place of giving salaries to the individual, the companies are investing into the chatbots because it's a one-time thing. You will create a good chatbot, it will definitely help you in many aspects. And yeah, they are scheduling daily activities. It will increase the productivity of yours personally. Like you can create your own personalized timetable with your help of AI agent. It will give you a reminder that you have to study this time, you have to read book, you have to meet people, you have to spend time with your family. So yeah, the AI agent will be your a friend, we would say, your personalized robot, personalized friend, and yeah, the future is not much far away from us when people are make AI based friends. The AI agent will be might be replace friends, and AI at your work tools for everything. So as I said before, just not in the tech sector, AI is also impacting the non-tech sector. Like for the marketing, you need like for digital marketing, it was one of the most growing industry right now, and it's totally like there's a very high chance that it will be replaced by AI too, because like there are lots of tools from which like if you have to like create your meta ads, like the ads you will see when you scroll reels on Instagram, Facebook, something, the ads you see, or any website, the ads you will see, that Google ads. So it will be totally done, and it's the budget all managed by the AI, like how much you have to spend on the ads, how much money you have to spend on on chatbots or building platforms. So yeah, as a business person, as an entrepreneur, if you are as this platform, like this organization also helps in entrepreneurship. So yeah, AI is like what I say, is a very good thing for you guys, because it's if you just say like calculate the like make a unit economics for me for my own business, tell me where I'm lagging and how can I overcome the my losses I am facing in my business something. So AI will do everything for you. So yeah, exactly something in sales. Like there was a like few years before there was a company, lots of company hire sales agent for a decent salary in many companies. But right now, just like AI based sales agents are creating like it's like just like a chatbot or something like or a like what they do, because I also use these things because it's how they do. Like you have to train them first, and after training all your sales call, like companies will giving the data sheets. Like if you guys must see the spam calls, and the spam calls is the same. It's a sales agent right now, AI based sales agent, right? These days, before these spam calls, like people will call you. People used to call from the company end that if you want to buy this loan, or if you want some loan, house loan, or if you want credit card or something, or if you like our product, something. So all these things were was done manually, but right now it's all done by AI and AI. But just you have to pay a monthly fees, which is much cheaper than like creating a team of 5 to 10 sales individuals. So yeah, it's much cheaper than to just give the money to a company which is providing you a sales agent personalizedly based on your need or your business. And you can and it will do the calls automatically, talk to the people, talk to agents, and finalize the deal for. Then after that, there is a project management tool. Like if anyone is interested in project management, or like want to manage their college project, or no. But this project management is something like everyone have to do if you are working in an business or on a firm or a company. So you have to like do the project management thing on your own. So Asana, Monday.com, these are very good AI tools. I also use these tools for the project management thing for product managers. If you have the if you want to be a product manager or project manager in the future, you have to have the knowledge of this like Asana, Jira, Power BI. These are the tools like you should have the knowledge of these. Example like PowerPoint presentations and all will be also replaced by AI. I also told you about that too. So yeah, there will be a lack of lots of small scale jobs in the near future. You have to be very much highly skilled, and what you are learning, just keep this in mind. You have to learn. Uh, just not to learn just to on a very basic level. You have to be at the top of your field. That only then you will be able to be in the market. And this HR thing, like lots of company having HR. So yeah, there's a interview based lots of interview based tools are coming up in the market that takes AI based interviews and hiring recruitment. So yeah, like it's AI is impacting each and every field. I just want to tell you from these slides that maybe the job you have to just question yourself the job you are targeting, or just like one of the famous question, how you see yourself after 5 to 10 years. So you have to just see first like how you see yourself, then check is how AI is gonna help you to pursue that thing. Maybe you will do that thing very much faster, and how you can scale and upskill yourself with the AI. So you have to use AI in your daily life. Now the case studies I was talking about. So there are two case studies. First of all, like AI build a business. Like there's an AI named Jasper AI, Jasper AI, and it comes from Jarvis, basically the Iron Man movie of Marvel. The Iron Man used an AI named Jarvis. It comes from that, and due to the its company is totally AI based company, and due to the use of ChatGPT 3, like it's in version, so the company is getting a good hike of like production and seeing a good profits. And it the AI basically AI is creating businesses right now. this is the future. And like uh, good countries, or developed countries already doing this, like implementing this in their businesses. Lots of startups are created with the help of AI. Lots of AI companies are coming in the market. For example, OpenAI comes 3 to 4 years ago, and like it's now one of the most like emerging companies across the world. And second case study, which you guys have to listen very carefully, is that job loss due to AI. Like our Reddit posts, someone from Amazon have shared that he was a corporate graphic designer. Maybe many of the you guys having the knowledge of graphic designing. In 2023, he was working in a very reputed company. Amazon is a very reputed company. People have having a dream to work in Amazon, but because of tools like Midjourney and Canva AI, which is a very good tool, by the way, and because of these emerging tools, person job, he was getting layoffs from the company. And yeah, like it was a very sad story. He has tried on the Reddit, but I have summarized this in a very short. So yeah, so I just want to tell you that the AI is this is a real life example that AI is impacting jobs, like video editing and graphic designing. These are a very good and safer option if you are a very creative person previously. But with the now, you have to be very technically sound, and these skills. At the end, I want to tell you that like future proofing for your career. Basically, just I have to summarize the whole session right now. Is like how you with the help of AI you can excel in your career is something that's continuously learning. Basically, there's a line I have written in on my diary that I want to tell you that. Yeah, that most people think AI is coming to take their jobs, but reality is that AI is coming to take their task. So AI is not the thing which will take your job. Either and unless you will use AI to excel in your job, or use it in your job. If you are able to use AI in your job, you will definitely get a success in the near future. So yeah, I think as I am forgetting out, no, nothing. Yeah, and yes, you have to keep learning that new technologies. Uh, as I said, that AI will be something which will be seen as that it should be a must skill. Lots of school colleges are adapting this, as in like lots of BTech colleges has a like AI based branch right now. Lots of government colleges government schools and private schools are adapting this AI as their in their course to from the very beginning they want to their students to be technically sound in the AI, so that they will not lack in the future, because they know that AI will be the future. And yeah, you have AI is very constantly evolving thing. Like today, if you will ask me the best platform who will do all the activities, I would say ChatGPT. Tomorrow it will be might be DeepSeek, or tomorrow it will be some a new company. So AI is expanding itself very faster, and it's emerging very faster. So you have to adapt yourself daily. You have to be up to date with this AI market. So to be updated about everything, and yeah, focus on human skills like creativity. Yeah, AI can be more creative, but the thing is that there's still a human touch that will not be replaced by AI. And collaboration and emotional intelligence, I would say. Emotional intelligence is one of those things which will never, because AI do not right now having emotions. He cannot. He might be. We will train it AI in a way that he will see your emotional like expressions. On the basis of that, on facial expressions, it might be able to know your emotion. But the thing is that still there's an emotional touch, a human to human touch is still missing in AI. So you can these are those things which will not be replaced by AI. You can think of something, a job of psychologist. Like there are lots of jobs, physiotherapist. There are a few jobs which will be very. There's a very less chance that AI will replace these jobs in the even after 20 years. And yeah, there are lots of courses, Google AI certifications you can take. Yeah, Google AI certification is a very basic thing you can take even if you are in any field. If you are a doctor, engineer, or something, you should definitely go for this Google AI certification. It will, if you will having this in your resume, it will outstand them. in a different. Yeah. So from this, I can end my session here. And if you have any questions regarding AI courses or something like future or career, something, anything related to AI or this session, you can definitely ask. Thank you very much for listening till now.
So, hi, do you have any questions to be asked? I request the participants here to please ask the questions.
I have a question to ask.
Yes,
Yeah,
please.
please.
Yeah.
Yeah, I just wanted to ask you a very simple question. We keep on talking about AI, artificial intelligence. But after all, artificial intelligence is artificial. Is it going to replace the natural intelligence?
No, it will not. Like in the last slide, I have said like emotional intelligence or something. These are the
Mhm,
things like the human to human connect. These are the things
mhm,
still will remain forever. Like because AI do not have emotions, and like
mhm,
as you said about natural intelligence, it will not replace. AI will
mhm.
never replace this thing.
Okay, another question I would just like to ask you. How will AI have an impact on creativity? Like, for example, person writing a book or person writing certain manuscripts or some papers. How
Yeah.
would AI, because AI gives you the content also.
Yeah.
So
So
how would
yeah,
that
like
impact the creativity?
so, yeah, they like AI can be more creative in that. For example, if you are writing a book, you might be if you are writing of your own, you will do any grammatical mistake or something like. AI will frame that line for in a more better way for you. But
Mm,
the thing is that your own personal experience, how you are telling that, how the depthness you are telling in that line, how if you are doing a storytelling, so
mm,
at which part you have to you want the people will have to be sense of emotional, they want to be emotional in it, or like the that emotion you want to transfer on in which part the AI will never be gonna replace that. If you will say AI to generate a story, it will just generate a story for you. It might be a good story, like you can think, but the thing is that that emotional thing for if a good story writer do, like because I also have writing a book, so I can relate with that. That
mm,
AI help me to give the text if I am writing something,
mm,
or I'm confused that how to express this thing. But the at the end, I use my own personal intelligence and my emotions that I want to transfer, and by thinking of the individual that
mm.
I am writing a book for my juniors or my or someone who like who was facing the same thing I have faced in my life. So AI do not imagine that. Yeah.
Another question I would like to ask, please.
Yeah. Yeah.
Actually, I am a professor, so I just want
Okay.
to ask you, how is it
Yeah.
going to impact the PhD? Because people would be using AI for their thesis writing, and
Yeah.
of course, in most of the universities, what happens normally, they use
Yeah.
Turnitin to check plagiarism.
Yeah.
Yeah, right. And if you use AI and you change the language, probably the
Hmm.
Turnitin will not be able to catch it.
See, basically, lots of student right now, like in PhD, like you have to write the research paper. So,
Mhm.
and lots of student also doing this in colleges, like and so AI will help you in providing the content. And like Perplexity AI, I would say that it is the best for the research part. So it will
Mhm.
give you the source. It will help you to research on a particular thing, and yeah, it will also help you to avoid the plagiarism. But
Mhm.
at the end, yeah, the thing is that there are also tools exist in the market that if you will copy someone research and you have just
Mhm.
changed the language, it will definitely detect that. So yeah, if it's something like that, if there virus exists, so there is an
Mhm.
antivirus also exists in the market. So yeah, so
Mhm.
so PhD holders are safe right now, because yeah, there are tools exist to identify that if it is copied or not, because colleges, lots of colleges are using it to check whether the research paper by their students are genuine or it is copied or not. So yeah, so there are tools exist. So yeah, so AI is going to be competitive with the AI.
Okay, another question, please. I would just like to ask you.
Yeah, yeah, please.
This AI normally it is said that is going to replace many jobs, or many people would become, would be they will lose their jobs because of the AI and all. Uh, uh, how true is it, and which are the areas where AI will not make an impact?
So yeah, sir, that's actually true. I have given also tell the data that like around 88 million jobs will be like replaced by AI by 2026, and but in the same way, I have said that 133 million jobs will also be generated because the like there are some basic skills holders like a lot of students do internships in their college. So
Mm.
the company hire interns for a very basic roles right now. I also have a company. I used to hire interns for some basic roles. For example, just to do calling or just to doing the mails for from company and or for some management. But right now, I know some good AIs who can do the same thing for me. So so instead of giving salary to two or three interns and having which will do give you job of 9 to 5, I have the AI which can work for me 24 into 7. So why I cannot switch as a business owner to AI? So same thing companies like Google are doing on Google and Facebook. These are the very big companies and these are doing the same thing, doing the cost cutting, and they are getting into profits because of this, because they are just telling their employees to use AI as something which excel your work. Basically, like if I said in my session that if I am a web developer, I have to create a website. Previously, what I have to do, like I have a whole team. One is the front end developer, one is a designer, one is a back end developer, one will check the servers if there any problem or not. But right now, companies like Google or big companies or even good companies in India, what they are telling they us telling their employees to do, that they are saying just shift the whole thing to the AI. We will having only you in our company for this one project. You have 1 week. Use all the AI you can use and just deliver the project. And that one person having knowledge of very basic things of everything with the help of AI, that 10 people work is done by the one person. So this is how the AI is doing the cost cutting for the companies and reducing the man or the labor for the company. So this is the reason. That's why I am saying that the only thing is that you have to adapt the AI in your job. Whatever job you are doing, you are if you are a teacher, if you are a doctor, if you are an engineer, you should know how to what the work you are doing and how it can be done more efficiently and more faster with the AI. Only then you will be able to be in this market.
Okay, another question I would like to ask, please.
Yes, yes,
That this AI you so said that will do the higher jobs, higher intelligence or higher jobs, and the basic jobs will be done by the people, right?
right,
Right, basic jobs for the by the people, and most of the other jobs will be done by the AI. Will shift the jobs to the AI.
yeah,
I would just like to ask you a simple question. That I'm a management professor, finance professor. So I just like to ask you, if
yeah, yeah,
I talk about management, we talk about marketing, we talk about HR, we talk about finance,
right,
right?
right, right,
Which are
yeah.
the areas where the impact will be more of AI? Means we people will become redundant because of the coming of AI or something of that sort.
So yeah, sir, last month I was hiring for sales agents for my company, and I have realized that I think that I met with some guys. It was a company, and they was the founder of that company, and they were making AI based sales agent. So sir, like you must have getting a call for like, sir, if you want to take loan or if you want to buy a credit card. So these all the things was done by sales agent. Lots of companies they take the agent from MBA graduates or BBA graduate something. They take these students from directly from the college on a decent salary of 20 to 25,000. But
Mhm.
right now, this can be totally done by. I can surely say that 100% with 100% proof that this sales thing is totally replaced by AI right now. The AI is doing the call from your end.
Mhm.
he will be able to communicate with you. He will be able to solve your problems, and
Mhm.
he is able to sell the that same product with you. And if
Mhm.
there are still any some problem, then there is only one person sitting at the back end who are listening to your calls and all. If there anything he think that AI will not able to do, the call will directly shift to that person. So now
Mhm.
that all the companies having the around 10 to 15 people sales people team of sales people is now replaced by only one person. So this is how the sales area is impacting. And also, like you talked about HR and marketing. So
Mhm.
yeah, HR, like I would not say ki, HR will be impacted on a very mass level right now, because like there are some like giving offer letters and all. There HR will do lots of things, even like analyzing how much how efficient the person is working in a company. But the
Mhm.
recruiting process will be replaced by the AI, because there are lots of AIs in the market who have done the hiring process very much easier right now. And same
Mhm.
way, same goes with the marketing, the digital marketing. Like people run ads on Instagram, Facebook, or different platform on Google. All the ads you
Mhm.
will see can be become more efficient. Budget management, which was done by at least 5 to 6 people previously, and now it is doing by only one person. One person can, with the help of AI, can do all the marketing, digital marketing stuff right now. So this is how AI impact.
And what about finance?
See, basically, finance, I would say that in companies, finance will not be affected, because basically, see, in a company, like what, as a, if I would say finance by CA, so the CA job will not be, I would say, demolished, because it give you suggestions. For example, my CA will tell you every month that we have to do cost cutting here, we have to do cost cutting here. So I would say like finance will be still be a better option for people, because like it is one of those jobs, like where you have you have to be technically sound in that. Like if you have a very good knowledge of finance, uh, and if you are a good CA or something, so you will not be replaced by AI, because there are not so much a good finance based AI in the market, which I can see will replace the like finance person or all.
And last question I would like to ask you
Yeah,
is
please.
how, just tell me briefly, how would AI do the telecalling work?
Okay.
Yeah,
So,
just
okay. Yeah, yeah, I can. So basically, like there are lots of AI right now. I will tell you now very layman language. There are there is an like AI named Gemini. But it's just like Chat GPT. So
Mhm.
yeah. So basically, sir, have you ever used Chat GPT or Gemini something? Have you ever
I
chat with
have
Chat?
used it, but I'm not very conversant with it. Not very. Yeah. Was on a
Okay,
very yeah.
yeah, no problem. So basically, Chat Gemini or Chat GPT, they have
Mm.
the data. They have a very large data, and how they
Mhm.
take this large data, are something called web scrollers. Web scrollers, what they web scrollers do, they go to each and every website. They scroll like all the data from that website. So if you have registered on some Google form, or if there's an your college website, or there's an company website, that web scroller will have the data of having a very large data of everything. That's why you ask any question with GPT or Gemini from of that Google, it reply you instantly. Now the how this communication work, like the sales agent, like how they will generate it, like there's something called API. API is something, a link. Basically, if there's a pen drive having the knowledge of whole, everything
Mm.
happening in the world right now, I just put it in my laptop. Now that with the help of pen drive, that my laptop have everything. Like I can access with the help of pen drive. My laptop have all the knowledge. Same way, that link will be generated from like companies use that link. Because Google have the access of everything. Everyone, mobile, your laptop, your computer, mobile, everything, in every device, you will find Google. So Google have all the data. You even your like mic will always be open. Like you might think your mobile will be on the table, but the microphone is always on. So Google have lots of data. Google knows about you in very deep. So basically, they company use that GPT or Gemini into a link, they created into link, and they train the chatbots. For example, I am talking to you in the same way. They make a something like robot. For example, AI voices. There are something called AI voices. They take any human voice. They will even create my own voice. They will just copy my how I am talking. So they copy the same thing, and they connect that knowledge with my voice. Now they have something on AI robot, something a AI human in the they are having an AI human which having that unlimited knowledge, which was having which is in the hand of Google. Through that link they connected with my voice, and with my voice and that knowledge, then now they have they will train. For example, if I have a business which do course selling. They make courses for MBA graduate for like
Mhm.
for upskilling there. So what I have to just give them a prompt that I have a like course selling company. I want to sell a course, and my audience are MBA graduate. Now the
Mhm.
AI will shape it in a way that from in the back end, that all the data related to MBA graduates he have, he will collect it, and like use my voice, and they just start calling it. For example, I will generate a call. I will give it a number, like a call on. I have your number, and I tell that AI to just call him, and he will call, and all the conversation will be done, because that as I said, everything is that data the Google have, and Google made that AI. And like in today's world, data is everything. Like the
No,
person who is,
that's perfect. So what I want to say, ask you is that they have the data, everything is okay. They will
yeah,
be telecalling with a human voice,
yeah.
and if somebody asks questions, they will be prepared for that also.
Yes, like there are set of questions already framed by company. That's why I said there's a training. At least that bot needs 1 month training, and in that training, because as if I am doing this conversation, this meeting has been recorded. But like this, my Google Chrome was also opened. So Google is having this all the data we are talking in our meeting, in or how people will conversate. Google have this data also. Google know what will be your next response. If I will ask you, sir, how are you? How will you respond? Google have this data. Now
Mhm.
it will train that chatbot, or the my with my voice and that data. With the combination of that, it will create that particular call for you, personalized calling.
Okay, okay,
That
I've got it. I've got it.
yeah,
Thank you,
yeah.
sir.
So this is how.
I've got it. Yeah. Thanks a lot for explaining in detail here.
Yeah. Thank you very much.
Yeah.
Any more questions, anyone?
So basically, what you want to say is that this artificial intelligence is going to replace the core workers going to selling telecalling and all.
Yeah, like all the small level of job, I would say, or tier 3 jobs like calling agent, customer care. These job will be
Mhm.
definitely going to.
People who do telecalling for real estate or
Yeah,
apartments and
yeah,
all.
exactly, exactly. So,
Okay, okay, that's done. Okay.
anyone having more doubt, you should ask.
So, can I request any other questions from the audience? Okay. So, on behalf of organizing committee, I would like to thank Mr. Shubham Raj, our speaker today, our outstanding speaker today. So, we had a chance to hear a fascinating conversation about the topic AI about the topic AI as a career co-pilot. Okay, so he had remarkably left us with this insightful discoveries, like how AI can be used in future, and also very well explained about how the world is shifting to AI, and because of it, how we can survive in our career also.